Hello, Tashidele to everyone. Welcome back learning basic Tibetan grammar. So here we are continues learning for Dokjin Shi for subscribes later. Previously we had already learned 7 yatak and 6 latak. So today we are going to learn ratak. Okay, let's start. Ratak jushi. So that means is 14 subscribes later. So jushi is 14. Rata is subscribes later. So there are 14 letter that can have this rata. So you can see all letter has this sign underneath. So you can see total there are 14. Here I put color red, red, red. So that means is same sound. And I put here blue and blue, blue. That is same sound. And I put a green, green, green. So that is the same sound. So that is the reason I put the color. Okay, just keep in mind. And rest black color is different sound. Okay, so here you can see 30 consonants. From out of 30 consonants, there are 14 letter become a rata. Okay, or 14 letter can have this rata sign. Other can have it. So total there are 14. So that I put in the blue color. Only can have this rata sign. Okay, the rest can have it. So it will be easy for us keep in mind. Okay, let's start reading Ratak Jupshi. 14 subscribes later. Ka rata ta, ka rata ta, ga rata da, ta rata ta, ta rata ta, ta rata ta, na rata na, pa rata ta. So here red color ka ta pa, they are same sound. Okay, and the blue same sound, and green is same sound. Okay, so just keep in mind. One more, ka rata ta, ka rata ta, ga rata da, ta rata ta, ta rata ta, ta rata ta, na rata na, pa rata ta, pa rata ta, pa rata da, ma rata mra. It's hard to pronounce, but you can pronounce ma rata mra, 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 mra. It's not easy to pronounce. Ma rata mra, sha rata sha, sa rata sa, ha rata ra, ha rata ra, ha rata ra. One more, pa rata ta, pa rata da, ma rata mra, sha rata sha, sa rata sa, ha rata ra, ha rata ra. This one, ma rata mra, ma rata mra, ha rata ra, Parata ra. Okay, so we keep practicing. Finally, we can get it. Okay, don't be discouraged. Okay, next one is the meaning. So since we have learned Potin Rata and only one Rata has a meaning right now, which is Paratata. Paratata wa tawa. So I keep remind you guys that pa always change as a wa. So there's one wa. Tawa. Tawa. Meaning is, even you don't know what is that, it's just a picture. But that mean is subtle. It's very subtle. It's our tawa. Okay? That only we have meaning from Potin Rata so far. So next one is we are going to learn 4 vowel combined with 14 Rata, or we're going to put 4 vowel with 14 Rata, and we're going to read correctly and one by one, so that way we can pronounce correctly. Okay, let's start. Karatata. Karatata kiguti. Karatata shabkyutu. Karatata dengbote. Karatata naruto. Ti tu te do. Karatata. Karatata kiguti. Karatata shabkyutu. Karatata dengbote. Karatata naruto. Ti tu te to. Garatada. Garatada kiguti. Garatada shabkyundu. Garatada dengbode. Garatada narudo. Ti tu te to. Taratata. Taratata kiguti. Taratata shabkyutu. Taratata dengbote. Taratata naruto. Ti tu te do. Taratata. Taratata kiguti. Taratata shabkyutu. Taratata dengbote. Taratata naruto. Ti tu te to. Taratata. Taratata kiguti. Taratata shabkyutu. Taratata dengbote. Taratata naruto. Ti tu te do. Naratana. Naratana kigu ni. Naratana shabkyu nu. Naratana dengbo ne. Naratana naru no. Ni nu ne no. Paratata. Paratata kiguti. Paratata shabkyutu. Paratata dengbote. Paratata naruto. Ti tu te do. Paratata. 파라타타 기구티 파라타타 샵유투 파라타타 딩보테 파라타타 나루토 티 투 테 토 파라타타 파라타타 기구티 파라타타 샵유투 파라타타 딩보테 파라타타 나루토 디 두 데 도 마라타므라 마라타므라 기구 므리 마라타므라 샵유 므루 마라타므라 딩보 므레 마라타므라 나루 므로 One more 마라타므라 마라타므라 기구 므리 마라타므라 샵유 므루 마라타므라 딩보 므레 마라타므라 나루 므로 므리 므루 므레 므로 샤라타샤 샤라타샤 기구시 샤라타샤 샵주슈 샤라타샤 딩보셰 샤라타샤 나루쇼 시슈 셰쇼 사라타사 사라타사 기구시 사라타사 샵주수 사라타사 딩보세 사라타사 나루소 시수 세소 하라타라 하라타라 기구리 하라타라 샵주후 하라타라 딩보레 하라타라 나루로 One more 하라타라 하라타라 기구리 하라타라 샵주후 하라타라 딩보레 하라타라 나루로 라 히, 후, re, ro. Okay, now we are going to learn the meaning of the words. Karatata kiguti ba tiba. The meaning is head of a committee. Tiba. Tiba. Next. Karatata shabjutu wa. Tuwa. Again, reminder, pa sound change as a wa. Tuwa. Tuwa. The meaning is, you can see here, to wash. Tuwa. Tuwa. Karatata naruto wa. Again, pa sound change, wa. Towa. Towa meaning is, you can see here, smoke coming out from the ear. Angry. Towa. Towa. Garatata kiguti meaning is knife. T. T. Karatata shabjutu. The meaning of tu is boat. Boat. Tu. Tu. Karatata naruto. The meaning of to is wheat. You can see here full of wheat on the field. To. do. Tareta tajigu ti wa tareta tajigu ti. Tiwa ti. The meaning is to ask question. Tiwa ti. Tiwa ti. Tareta tajingbu te. Te mean is oh scary. Meaning demon. De. De. Tareta tajingbu de panaro po. De po meaning is male demon. Depo. Depo. Tareta tajingbu de manaro mo. Demo. Demo meaning is female demon. Demo. Demo. Tareta tanaru to panaru po. To po. You can say everybody is on the ground. That means is the weather is warm. Warm. To po. To po. Parata ta shabju tu ga shabju gu. Tugu. Tugu. Tugu meaning is baby. So baby for any living creatures. Human, animal, any birds. That is called tugu. 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 Parata tajigu tiwa. Tiwa. The meaning is right. Tiwa. Tiwa. Parata tanaru to wa. Again, pa sound change wa. Toa. Toa mean is, you can guess the picture. That means taste. Taste the food, delicious food. Toa. Toa. Okay, so that's all for today. So we have learned 14 rata and also meaning, and all 4 vowel we put together, and also we'll learn the sounds, the meaning. Hopefully this will going to benefit for whoever interested learning basic grammar or reading, whatever. Okay, thank you. See you in next video. Bye.